What's up YouTube, this is LDS Reliance. It's time for another episode in the Ultimate Work Truck Project series. Work on this truck has been going pretty slow because I'm pretty busy launching my business and it's pretty cold outside. But I did need to address something about the interior of this vehicle. As you can see, this is a typical work truck back seat. Since I don't have any employees in my company yet, I don't really need to transport people unless I'm transporting my daughter. And so what I need in the back seat is storage. So the easiest and most logical place to pick up some storage space is under these seats. There's actually a surprising amount of empty space under these seats that could be better used for storage. As you can see, there's a space anywhere from about 4 to 6 inches deep and about 18 to 20 inches wide of space that extends all the way from side to side underneath these seats. So obviously you could put stuff under there, but it will slide around while you're driving and it won't stay organized. And that's where this beautiful product comes in. This is called the Gearbox by Husky Liners. For full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this review and to add it to the Ultimate Work Truck, but I do keep all of my reviews fair and unbiased. What I liked about this product even before I opened it up is that Husky will guarantee this product for life. Anything happens to this thing at all, call them and they will replace it without any hassle, without any questions being asked. The other thing is that it looks like it came from the factory that way. It looks like it belongs on the car, and that's important to me. But I guess we'll take a look at that once it gets installed and verify that for ourselves. The gearbox is made from tough and resistant plastic, and it is resistant to most chemicals. So if you're storing chemicals under your seat and they happen to spill, chances are it probably won't damage it. The gearbox comes with 2 removable foam dividers that you can use to section off the storage under there, or you can just use it wide open for a gun or something large. The instructions are super clear and easy to understand, but really anyone should be able to install this without them. To install the gearbox, simply lay it under the back seat as shown, and then there are 2 straps on either side that you'll have to attach to various points behind the back seat. So here it is completely mounted with the dividers installed. You can see that this is injection molded uniquely to this specific vehicle, so it will match the tunnel for the drive shaft that goes down the middle of your truck. So last but not least, now we just need to put some gear in it. Even though it's very easy to raise the back seats, my personal philosophy is that I'm going to put stuff in there that I don't need very frequently, because I'm going to have a child seat on one side and I don't want to have to remove that to lift up on the seat to access the gearbox. So your situation may be different. Use it for whatever you want, but for me, I'm only putting emergency essentials under there. So as you can see, it doesn't impede on your ability to sit in the back seat at all, and it does look like it came from the factory that way. So here are my final thoughts on this product. It doesn't add any storage space to your truck, it just allows you to use the space you already have more efficiently. This will keep the floor of your back seat from becoming a disorganized mess. It looks good, it feels good, and it performs its job really well. The downside and the only complaint that I have about this product is the price. At $171.95, it's a little steep for most buyers. And for such a simple product made of plastic and a couple straps, it seems to be a little high. However, keep in mind that this is an American-made product and has a lifetime guarantee, no questions asked. All in all, it's a very high-quality product if you've got the coin to afford it. Thanks for watching this episode, and I promise we are still going to get to some maintenance on this truck.